As dedicated supporters of Audubon Society of Rhode Island, you know how important access to nature is. We've all seen the research. Findings published in Forbes, Time, scientific journals, and local news show that being in nature is important. It is good for our physical, mental, and emotional health, especially for children who are just discovering the world around them. But for many people, engaging with nature isn't as simple as just running out the front door like it is for some of us. Over the years, you've helped make nature accessible to urban populations and those who face geographic barriers to enjoying the benefits of being outside in nature. Next, Audubon is working to remove barriers to access for those who experience the world differently. Those with mobility challenges, differences in physical ability, visual impairment, and hearing loss may require adaptive devices or technologies to enjoy the Nature Center exhibits and trails. Children and adults with sensory processing disorders, developmental delays, and other challenges to accessibility may benefit from specialized equipment and dedicated staff trainings. We believe all Rhode Islanders deserve safe and inclusive access to outdoor environments and educational resources. We believe everyone should be able to enjoy nature. With you, we know this dream is possible. With you, we can accomplish anything.